Hello, we are
Ma'am,
very happy to meet our student Dr. Darshan Chandrayan, and he has passed his DNB theory exam with flying colors. Congratulations, Darshan.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Darshan, can you give
Uh,
us a little bit of your background? What college are you from, and how did you come to know about the CA app, and what you
yes,
feel about it?
ma'am, I'm from Jawaharlal Nehru Institute. I did my PG from Jawaharlal Nehru Institute, Chhattisgarh, and ma'am, first and foremost, it was like scary feeling towards the DNB theory examination, ma'am. As our seniors also used to say, कि it's quite tough and tougher than the MD exams. But ma'am, eventually, from our seniors only, and uh, from where NEET PG I have, ma'am, from prepared for. So same faces. Fortunately, I was seeing for my DNB theory exams, and the banner was e-conceptual. So something, the feeling of I was slightly relieved. Okay, that those who brought me here, they'll definitely make me
Guide
pass
your
this.
way.
Yes, and make me pass this ocean. So the sea was very scary, uh, but as I want to share one experience of mine, ma'am. I have seen one of the video during my PG preparation, oxygen delivery devices from. It is still it is free on YouTube, ma'am. So I have seen that in my PG preparation time. So, and now when under e-conceptual, it was your face and written Dr. Jhanvi Bajaj. I go, okay, no doubts, going to subscribe within minutes. So, and uh, heartiest thanks to GRG sir also, Gobind Rai sir,
For the
as
pharmacy.
always. Yes, for pharma, because ma'am we tend to uh, forget the basics of the pharmacy. So the
Yes,
pharmacology part was well versed by covered by sir. So that invite my trust more towards this app, ma'am. So it was like, ma'am, same teachers but different exam.
great. And
Yes,
how did you use the app for your DNB theory preparation?
ma'am. It was like between our work period. I was searching for the app uh, which will be handy for me to use during my uh, postings and all. So it was like, ma'am, the e-conceptual helped me to understand the uh, concepts of the chapters, ma'am. And more than mugging up the things, ma'am, it was like important to understand what, why, and how behind the things, ma'am. So uh, I would like to thank the team, ma'am. The interface and the technical support was awesome, ma'am. As and when required, we used to see even after, and even it helped in for our daily cases also, ma'am. Like tomorrow, one of the important cases are like being posted, and we don't know within stipulated time we have to read about the case. So we used to start the video, ma'am. At least that will help to understand about the case in a shorter span, ma'am. And also definitely for the theory exams, ma'am, a big thank to you and ma'am all the faculties who have made a large chunk of the subjects into small understandable pieces, ma'am.
Thank
And
you. And
the best thing was everyone were like behind the concepts and making the things understandable. So that was commendable,
thank you. So, your favorite teachers on the app?
ma'am. Our heartiest thanks to you, ma'am, Jhanvi, ma'am,
Thank you.
Gobind Rai sir, and
Gobind sir.
Taneja sir for critical care, sir, ma'am. I have like a bit interested towards critical care part also. So I used to watch his videos even when it was like, okay, let's try to read. Even 1% of the things are like absorbed, it will be helpful. But eventually, I got interested for his videos. So his material and everything, and Kishore Mangal sir's videos, ma'am. It was like great. And the best part, ma'am, the previous year question discussions, ma'am. I have attended the live sessions. Uh, those were taken by you, especially, ma'am. So that
Yeah, the
was like,
DNB
ma'am.
paper discussions which were taken
Yes,
live.
yes, yes. Like it was like making a cake, ma'am. First, let make the base, then icing, and then cherry. So it was like the cake baking only, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Darshan, and all the very best for your DNB practicals. I hope that all the
Thank you
material
so
on
much.
the app, the long cases, short case discussions, the OSCE discussions, previous year OSCEs, and also the books will help you for your practical exams now. And looking forward to quickly getting
Thank,
done with your DNB practicals and interviewing you again for the success story in that.
thank you so much.
Thank you very much,
Thank you so much.
Darshan,
Thank you.
and
Thank you.
heartiest
Thank
congratulations
you.
once more.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.